Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all for class 8, subject science. We are continuing with the topic natural resources. We were talking about the water. Water is a natural resource which is abundant on the earth. Nearly 97, that is nearly 71% of the earth crust is covered by water. Now, with so much of water also, there is scarcity of water. Why? Nearly 97% of the earth is held in oceans, seas and large water bodies. As you can see here, this is the total of earth's water. How it is distributed. Distribution of water on earth. 97 of water is totally salt water. Okay, whatever it is in out of 71% of the earth's water, in that 97% is salt water. The remaining is fresh water is 3%. In that 3% also, as you can see, it is in the ice caps and glacier. 67.7% is glacier water. Then coming to the groundwater. Groundwater is 30.1%. Now how much is remaining? Remaining other is 0.9 surface water, which is present in rivers, lakes and ponds. So a very small percentage of this valuable natural resource is available for human use. That is how it comes the scarcity of water. You know how much the human being use the water for daily consumption? About 20 liters to 30 liters per day, depending on their activity. Now in that also human activities are more. Water is used for various human activities like drinking, agriculture, washing and recreation. In addition, water is used in heat exchange processes, industries and fire extinguisher. Not only for the agriculture purpose, drinking purpose, it is used in industries also. Now in agriculture sector, it is estimated that more than 80% of water available for human use is employed for agriculture practice. Even the salt water here also it is not used. Salt water is not used for agriculture. You can ask, ma'am, why not this salt water? Because salt water contains many minerals in it, salts, so which is not good for agriculture. Okay. In agriculture also they cannot use the salt water. They need the fresh water only. Even in the industries they need the fresh water. Salt water can corrode the boilers or whatever they have made, no, in that it starts corrosion. Okay, corrosion means breaking of the barrel, that is breaking of those things whatever they have made. So we have been misusing and polluting. With that also the scarcity of water, we have been misusing and polluting the water to a great extent. Okay, now one more main problem here is why the scarcity means after using all these things, with that the human beings are polluting the water. Overuse and unequal distribution. There are two main reasons, that is overuse and unequal distribution of water. And the rainfall here is more, but still there is no proper process to use that water. Around 400 million hectare of meter of rainfall is there in our country and 20 million hectare meter flows in the surface water. So government is planning for the scarcity of water. They are planning many things for conservation of water in both urban and rural areas. Efforts are making done so that they can conserve, they can preserve the water. Importance, how can we preserve and how can we do means we can educate the people not to misuse the water or pollute the water in the rural areas, even in urban areas. This is the main thing of water. March 22nd is observed as World Water Day. Each year, UNO chooses a specific slogan to highlight a particular theme. Okay, the next topic, that is soil. Soil is again a natural resource. Soil is natural resource that provides minerals and water to all land plants. Even for where is the soil used? Soil is very necessary, particularly for agricultural crops. From soil only we will get our food. If soil is not there, then plants are not there. If plants are not there, then our food is not there. Therefore, with the importance of soil, you should understand. It is the place of living, not only for the food, it gives wide variety of organisms. So many shelter for many organisms like earthworms, crab, insects and microorganisms. Human activities have influenced even the soil quality. Now what human beings are doing is, even human beings are desertification of soil, means they are destroying the top soil of the soil of earth. That is nothing but salinization of soil. Salinization of soil is nothing but the top soil is being removed, salinized. The water quantity, that is water level, is becoming salty there. How it is salty now? Using of fertilizers and pesticides. By using that, what happens? All the top quality of the soil is becoming barren. That is, with that the soil quality becomes weak. That is known as soil erosion or desertification of soil. Soil erosion is nothing but with the water level, the soil flows. Once they do the agriculture and they leave without doing anything. Now here deforestation and overgrazing. Deforestation and overgrazing leads to soil erosion. Okay. Deforestation means removing of plants. Overgrazing means how much the animals have to eat, so much no. More they are using the plants and removing the plants, overgrazing. From that what happens? The top soil will be flowing out, that is known as soil erosion. Formation of soil occurs by a natural process called weathering of rocks. Many years ago, what happens, you know, soil, how is it formed? It is formed through weathering of rocks. So for that it takes a long time to form the soil, but it is easy to do the soil erosion. Once they do the deforestation and overgrazing, then soil erosion takes place. Therefore, we have to protect soil. Soil has to be protected. Soil protection has now become an integral part of any conservation plan. For that, soil quality can be a solution for many environmental issues bothering human life.